What's going on, everybody? This is the Fanny21 back once again. And what you see here is a 20-inch Golden Tee Champion box fan. This is a model 2065/T. And there's the top logo there. It's a 2-speed fan. These Champion box fans are a bit of an oddball. This fan here dates to around probably around the late 60s. And they made fans all the way up to around the mid 80s. And then they were phased out completely. One of the more oddball box fan brands of the time. This fan, like I said, is a 2-speed fan. Uses either an RMR or a Marco motor. And I got a pretty interesting story to tell you about this particular fan here as well. And it's probably going to be a little bit of a long video, but I want to get this out there to people who happens to either own one of these old fans or finds one in like an estate sale or whatever. And that is to always, no matter how good of a shape the fan is physically. I mean, this fan is in pretty good shape for its age. I found this in an antique mall. Paid like 25 bucks for it. And I didn't ever do anything with it. I just ran it as it was. And I would have thought this would happen to me. Or happen to any of the, not happen to me, but it happened to any of my box fans, in this good of a shape, but it did. And I'll tell you why. I was running this fan during the summertime about 2 summers ago. And I was taking a nap while this fan was running. And then all of a sudden I woke to some small explosions, for lack of a better term. Just. So I run out because I knew it was in the house. So I ran around and saw this fan freaking literally blowing up. And what happened is that the motor leads, the original motor leads to the fan, were dry rotted, and from the vibration of the motor, it freaking was shorting out against the shell of the motor, causing a dead short. And that's what was causing the explosions. But thankfully, it didn't catch fire, nothing caught fire, and everything was safe, and the fan still functions now. I was able to fix it by putting new motor leads on the motor. But I'm just wanting to get that out to people that always inspect the wiring on these old fans. This fan here is around 50 years old. So, rubber deteriorates over time. I've had to replace countless cords on old fans. So, always check the electricals on the fan. Check the motor out. I mean, if you want to use it long term, always do some preventive maintenance on the thing to keep something like that from happening. Because I never run fans when I'm away from the house. But it's a good thing I did. I was here when this fan did that. If I had to run out somewhere and I left this thing running and I did that, it probably would have burned my house down. But anyway, get to more important things about demonstrating this fan here. So we'll go ahead and give this thing a demonstration. So we'll turn it on here on low speed. Yeah, I had to replace the cord on the fan. I mean, everything was original. The power cord was original and all the wiring was, but all the wiring has been replaced with new stuff ever since that happened. It's hard to see, but you can still see some burns on the paint where it was arcing real bad. But as you can see, this fan did recover pretty well from that accident. Take it up to high. Fairly quiet running fan. And I decided to do that too. When it's set down, it's fine. One of the rivets on the blades, one of the blades are loose, and the blade kind of rattles. I need to fix that one of these days. We're going to turn it off here. It's got a pretty long spin down time. The steel blades on the fan are pretty heavy and causing a very long spin down. And you'll hear when the fan slows down, the rivets or one of the blades moving around on the hub because of the loose rivets. Let's spin it down. We'll zoom around the back here, show you the back of the fan. Right there, you can hear that knocking sound like I was mentioning. The serial number is stamped in the back of the grill there. And I'm not sure how well you can see it with the blades moving around with the light, but you can definitely tell where it's been arcing at inside the motor. But I definitely put some electrical tape and some fiber tape around the leads where it goes through the motor housing, so it'll help alleviate that. And hopefully that won't happen again for quite some time, if ever. So I thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this TG&Y Stores Company Golden Tee Champion box fan. So once again, take it easy everybody. We'll see you next time.